hotelu Astoria na Bledu so se v sklopu dvodnevnega dogodka zbrali partnerji v projektu Eco Alps Water. Inovativno ocenjevanje ekološkega stanja alpskih jezer in rek, njihovo upravljanje in varovanje ekosistemskih storitev je bila glavna tema, o kateri je na že 5. srečanju razpravljalo več kot 40 udeležencev. O projektu, katerega glavni namen je izboljšati tradicionalne metode in s tem pridobiti boljše informacije o stanju okolja, smo se pogovarjali z glavnim koordinatorjem projekta.
This is a project which is financed by the Alpine Space program, and it is a project that brings together 6 different countries from all over the Alpine Space region. Besides Slovenia, that is hosting us these 2 days, these 2 working days, there are also Germany, Italy, Austria, France, and Switzerland. With this project, we started by considering that all the present monitoring activities which are aimed to evaluate water quality are based on methods that were defined over 30 years ago. Now, in the academies, research institutions, universities, we are using much modern tools based on the analysis of environmental DNA, and this gives us the ability to evaluate the presence of many organisms, from bacteria to phytoplankton, microalgae, diatoms, fish, and many other biological elements, with methods that requires cheap investments and a huge quantity of data as a result. This will contribute to upgrade the biomonitoring methods that at present we are using by including these innovative solutions and approaches. Putting together the classical approaches with these innovative approaches would represent a very positive step towards the management and preservation of water bodies.
Pri projektu sodeluje 12 projektnih partnerjev. Iz vsake izmed 6 držav prihaja po ena raziskovalna inštitucija in agencija, pristojna za monitoring. Slovenska partnerja pri projektu sta tako Nacionalni inštitut za biologijo in Agencija Republike Slovenije za okolje, od koder prihaja tudi naša sogovornica Špela Remec-Rekar.
Jaz v teh raziskavah vodnega okolja delam že 40 let. In dejansko velikokrat smo pri svojem delu opažali, kako smo pravzaprav včasih v dvomih. Ali je organizem to tisti, o čemer govorimo, ali ni. Prav zato smo z največjim veseljem pristopili v partnerstvo k temu projektu, ki bo na podlagi neodvisnih analiz, ki jih izvaja na vse zadnje stroj, to sekvencioniranje, podvojevanje EDN-a, določil stroj. Tle bo ta osebnostni moment izginil, tle ne bo nobene pristranskosti, dejansko se bo določal tisto, kar je. In mi želimo zdaj te obstoječe metode, ki so, nekako implementirati s temi novimi ugotovitvami. Obenem bo pa to tudi dokaz, a smo prav delali ali nismo prav delali.
Gre za ključno zadevo, ki je potrebna zavedanje o kvaliteti naših voda in pravilno upravljanje z vodami in okoljem, še doda Rekarjeva.
Ves čas opozarjamo na slabšanje razmer na Blejskem jezeru, kjer je stopnjevanje pritiskov izredno. Če bojo pa podkrepljene še z hitrejšimi in preciznejšimi analizami, bo pa toliko boljše.
Najprej so morali vsi partnerji uskladiti vse metodologije in ugotoviti, ali so uporabljali enake postopke pridobivanja vzorcev. Sedaj ustvarjajo novo podatkovno bazo, ki bo temeljila na preciznih analizah.
We are putting together different institutions from academy to government to policy bodies and so on. Because the objective is to transfer the knowledge from academy to the institutions and the bodies that have this responsibility to evaluate water quality. And so during these days we are discussing about the methods that should be used for the analysis of water quality and for the criteria that we have to be used for the management of water quality, to preserve water quality and ecosystem services that are provided by lakes and rivers. These are two very important days because we are at the middle of the story of this project, and we began a very nice collaboration between academy and bodies that are involved in the monitoring of lakes and rivers. Our expectations are very high because we are collecting for the first time in Europe the largest database on the biodiversity in rivers and lakes. This is really a very huge project and expectations are very high. And we are verifying in those 2 days that we are on the right way.